But here I am again. Look, it's a gang of my brother. They're all over around here. Whole morning they've been warning me. All over the place. It's in danger. You hear that? That's the hawk. Where's the hawk at? That's raw. The hawk is raw. This shit is spirit, dang, look at that. Ah! So, where you guys going? All over here. You guys saw that? That's how God talks to me. Been like this for like 3-4 years already. But I didn't figure it out until like last year when they started chasing me and trying to kill me. When I woke up. You don't believe me? Type in animal totem. T-O-T-E-M. You gotta be a higher consciousness to know all of this. If not, you just think it's normal. It's not normal. Where's the hawk though? This hawk. You gotta use hawk. Butterfly, hummingbird, dove. You know what I mean? They're all over here. It's true stuff. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna tell you how it is. Against all odds, man. Just like King David. I'm going up against not the mafia, bigger mafias. I'm talking the Illuminati, the Zionists, the big businessmen, man, the churches. I mean, they're saying I'm a prophet. And that's their tradition, is to kill all mutation. This is true. God gave me a gift though. Somehow I can telekinesis when I'm sleeping though. I don't know how to control it. It comes whenever God wants it. Like they spy on me, but I can't hear them. Not all the time, but once in a while. Something important. Strange. You might think I'm crazy. I'm not. I'm crazy. Only the higher consciousness people, they know what I'm talking about. The blind, you just think I'm crazy. Right? I proved it to you guys. You guys saw that earlier, right?